Tapos sabi ng operator sa kabila, congratulations, pumasa po kayo. So, sa sobrang saya ko, tumatalon ako dun sa gitna ng hallway ng school. Dahil pumasa ako sa dream university ko. Only for a few months later to give it all up. At sinabi ko sa mga magulang ko na hindi na lang po ako mag-a-Ateneo, papasok na lang po ako ng seminaryo. Something happened in the middle of that. And it was a retreat. Sa Catholic school, hindi naman kayo palalabasin yan nang hindi kayo nag-retreat, di ba? Hindi kayo pakakawalan. Kailangan may isa pa kaming chance para mahuli ang puso ng mga batang ito. Nadawig po ako. For a lack of a better word, I felt like I met Jesus for the first time. I grew up Catholic. I knew the commandments. I knew what our faith teaches. But it's one thing to know of Jesus. And it's another thing completely to know Jesus. They're two different things. And once that happened for me, something shifted. And I would do anything to be as close to Jesus as I could. Kaya ang pumasok sa isip ko, mag-seminaryo. Tinapon ko na yung pag-a-Ateneo, kahit na ang tagal ko siyang pinaghirapan. Pumasa pa ako sa ibang universities, etsyapwera silang lahat. Because I wanted to enter the seminary. Not because I want to be a priest, but just because I want to follow Jesus. Yun lang. I just wanted more of Him. And kahit anong itapat kay Jesus, kaya kong talikuran at that time.